Build better affiliate marketing opportunities through these great tips. Affiliate marketing is, by the speedy standards of the online world, a venerable marketing strategy. Affiliate marketing has been a profit source for web businesses for almost as long as the internet has been around. If you know where to look, you are going to find a wealth of information on affiliate marketing. Total rookies and grizzled veterans alike will appreciate the affiliate marketing tips laid out in this video. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. You will be more profitable if you research the field first and then stay informed about new information. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.